Seniors, cook your own meals. Do you skip cooking just because you eat less? What if we told you that a simple act of preparing your own meal could boost your health, lift your mood, and even build friendships? In old age, cooking isn't just about food, it's about self-care, dignity, and meaningful engagement. Many elders shy away from cooking. They say, "I'm alone, I eat very little, why bother?" They settle for leftovers or snacks, and slowly their favourite dishes become a forgotten luxury. This adjusting attitude, or what we might call couch potato behaviour, leads to poor nutrition, dull routines, and social disconnect. But it doesn't have to be this way. We are Sowmya, Lakshmi, and Roshan Jacob, practicing social gerontologists from Bangalore with over 2 decades of experience in eldercare. In our journey, we've met inspiring seniors who've broken stereotypes around aging, including those who've made cooking a joyful and social part of their lives. Take Pillar Uncle, a retired senior executive from L&T. A widower for over 20 years, he lives alone in Indiranagar, Bangalore. But he never lets that be an excuse. Twice a week, he cooks delicious, large portions of traditional meals, not just for himself, but to share with neighbours. This has built strong bonds. In return, they too share food with him. For Pillar Uncle, cooking is creativity. It's therapy, connection, and celebration all in one. Then there's Mrs. Jacob, now 85 plus, a widow for over 30 years. She lives with her son's family and plays a key role in the kitchen. From chopping vegetables to preparing dough and even cleaning up, she's actively involved. She says that her work in the kitchen not only keeps her occupied, but has helped her build a beautiful relationship with her daughter-in-law. Cooking, for her, is a source of pride and emotional bonding. Cooking is not a burden in old age, it's a blessing. It gives structure to your day, keeps your mind active and your body moving. When you cook, you're more likely to eat nutritious meals, tailored to your health needs and taste. And if you live alone, don't use that as an excuse. Share your food. You'll be surprised how it fosters community and joy. Even if you need a little help, be it a caregiver or a family member, try to be involved. Stir the pot, roll the dough, plan the menu. You're not just cooking food, you're cooking memories, connection, and well-being. To all our senior friends, don't retire from your kitchen. Pick up that ladle, bring back your favourite recipes, and rediscover the joy of cooking. And to families and caregivers, support and encourage your elders in the kitchen. It may be one of the healthiest things they do. This video is brought to you by Advantage Seniors, presented by Sowmya Lakshmi and Roshan Jacob, social gerontologists. Join us in celebrating active and joyful aging. Subscribe for more insights and share this message with the elders you love.